Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Amir bin Abdul Razak. My metric number is S71882. Now I'm going to talk about the tungsten organometallic complex. This is the diagram of the organometallic complex for the tungsten. The IUPAC name for the tungsten is dicarbonyl, eta 5-methylcyclopentadienyl, eta 3 to 3 butyl allyl, tungsten 2. The oxidation state of tungsten metal centered in the complex is 2 plus. The ligand involved for the metal complex is carbonyl cyclopentadienyl, methyl cyclopentadienyl, ethyl cyclopentadienyl, and eta 3 to butyl allyl. The synthesis of complex. This is the synthesis of complex. The synthesis of complex divided by two, which the first is the formation of the intermediate. Starting material, tungsten carbonyl and anhydrous acetate acetonitrile were charged into 250 Schlag flask. The reaction condition where the mixture of flux at around 90 Celsius for 48 hours, resulting in yellow liquid suspension. And then we add allyl bromide. After cooling to room temperature, around 3.1 gram of 2-bromomethyl 3,3-dimethyl 1-butene was added slowly. Then second reaction phase, the mixture was stirred overnight at 70 Celsius, gradually turning brown. The intermediate isolation solvent removal yield 5.8 gram of dark brown solid as an intermediate. This intermediate is described as a eta-3-allyl dicarbonyl metal complex. Then the second step is formation of a target complex. The starting material for the synthesis is a suspension of alkyl cyclopentadienyl potassium in 20 milliliter anhydrous tetrahydrofuran was prepared. The suspension was added to a brown solution of intermediate in 100 milliliter anhydrous THF. The reaction mixture was stirred at room temperature overnight. After solvent removal, the residue was extracted with 200 of hexane to obtain a crude brown solid. Further purification was achieved by distillation under the reduced pressure at 180 Celsius. Compound 1 can be methyl and cyclopentadienyl was obtained as an orange solid, while the ethyl cyclopentene was obtained as a orange-red liquid. This is the classification of the reaction type. There is two of them, which is ligand substitution, acetonitrile ligand in the tungsten complex are displaced by the third butyl allyl bromide. This is a type of ligand exchange where the allyl group coordinates to the tungsten center and bromide form a bond with the metal. This article refers to this as a treating this intermediate, and then we have ligand metasis. The intermediate reaction with alkyl cyclopentadienyl potassium. This is the ligand metasis reaction, specifically a salt elimination where the bromide ligand attached to a tungsten is replaced by the cyclopentadienyl ligand and potassium bromide is formed as an insoluble byproduct which drive the reaction forward. That's all for me. Thank you.